Good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Muhammad Imran Hussain, your science teacher. Today, I am going to teach you unit number 4, sound. Lesson number 4.6, muffling sounds. Okay, now you can see on the screen, boys, words muffle, ear defender, and silencer. So let me know the meanings of muffler, silencer, and air ear defender, sorry. Muffle to make sound less and less clear. Silencer equipment that makes sound quieter. Air defender cups linked with materials that muffle sound that are worn ears over the ears. Okay, boys, and see here. There are some sounds that we don't like. We do not like. Are sounds that are too loud. We can muffle sounds that we do not want to hear. This means that we make the sound quieter and less clear. Loud sound can hurt our ears. Some people work in very noisy places. They need to protect their ears. They wear air defender to muffle sound. Like you can see on the screen, the sound of this jackhammer is very loud. So you can see in this picture also the person who using jackhammer, he's wear air defender to muffle the sound. In another picture, you can see a lady. The sound inside an aeroplane can be very loud. In another picture, the volume of sound from an electric hand drill could damage our ears. The 85 dB can damage our ears. dB is what? Disabled to measure the sound, measure the volume. Okay. Now see, ways to muffle sound. We fit silencer to car. We fit silencer to cars, trucks, and motorcycle to muffle the sounds of the engine. Okay, why we fit the silencer to our motorbike to muffle the sound of the engine. Okay, boys, here activity. Find out which material muffles sound the best. Predicate which material will muffle sound the best. Place the sound source in the box. Pack one of the materials around the sound source in the box. Then place the lid on the box. Stand about 1 meter away from the box and listen to the sound. Is the sound louder or soft? Sound source, you can see newspaper, shoebox. Put the lid on the shoes box and stand 1 meter away. If you have a sound level meter, we use that meter to measure the sound volume and record, right? Measure the sound volume and record it. Repeat the activity with the other material. Present your result in table. Okay, boys, and see. Like, what is muffle sound, boys? Muffling sound means to make it less louder and make it clear by covering something. Okay, and in muffles, cotton, cardboard ears protection, right, boys? And see, why do we need to muffle sound? Why do we need to muffle sound, boys? We need to muffle sound to protect our ears. Why? To protect our ears. Exposed to 85 decibel dB for a long time, it can cause hearing loss. Equipment that muffle sound, air defender and silencer. Okay, and look at on the screen, boys. What does what does it mean to muffle a sound? To decrease the volume of the sound and to make it less clear, right, boys? Material that easily absorbs the of sound vibration, material with holes space in between. And what we learn in this lesson, boys? Some material can muffle sounds well. Some materials may can muffle sound well, and some materials are not good at muffling sound. We can it be dangerous to listen to music through earphones whilst riding your bicycle. Okay, boys, and I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and grateful day, boys.